Hi everyone, it's another Friday and with another surprise. Just now, 2 hours back, I thought of going somewhere and I told Mecca, let's go somewhere, and she was saying like, no, now I don't want to go anywhere. And then I told her we are not going by car, we go by bus or whatever you like. You can see the condition of Pune roads. Very filthy water. So hi everyone, now finally we came for dinner to this wonderful place. You can see the place is good. So this wonderful prawns rice Mecca has ordered, and let's see, now we'll try and let you know the feedback of this Palace Hotel. So hi everyone, finally Mecca is in bus. This is Zinc bus, one of the most premium bus you can have in India. So now we are on the way. Let's see when we'll reach. So hello everyone, good morning, and still we are in this bus. Now you can see this wonderful Karnataka. We are actually in Karnataka. And what about you, Mecca? How are you feeling? And it's a mountain place, I think. So let's see when we'll reach. Still in.
Bye.
So hi everyone, we came to this place, Queen's Bath. Oh, let's see, Mecca. How is their bathroom actually? First thing we got to see is bathroom. So this is a bathroom area. You can see it's like 4,000 acres area of bathroom. So I think this used to protect from water, na? Here any other can't come. So this is the entrance. This is there, and this is something you can see his bathtub of their own bathtub. Wow. So hi Mecca. How are you feeling in Hampi?
Nice.
And
There is everywhere something or the other to see.
I have never expected this will be so beautiful place. It's really a beautiful place. So hi everyone, now we came to the Royal Enclosure, and you can see this. Actually there something I'll show you after going up. So now we are here. Here.
No, we were staying
We are
here.
staying here. And now where we are?
Now we
And
are
this is the map of Hampi, you can see. And these are the places you can see in Hampi. If you want, I'll slowly go down so you can pause and see it. And this is map.
You are here. We are
Okay,
here.
yeah. We are staying here.
Yeah.
Here, and now we are here.
Yes.
This is the place. Now I'll show you. So now we came to this place. This is गुफा है क्या? See Mecca coming. Wow, looks so good from here. This is the place, and everything you can see from here is too green. Wow, greenery is everywhere. What is this actually, Mecca? You have any idea? What are you saying, Mecca? So again we came to another swimming pool, I think so. So this is the place, you can see. Wow. You can see. So hi everyone, I just came to know their water supply. These are their water supply. So nicely they have made. Wow, water pipe. Fuck. I didn't knew this. I thought it's a pillar, but everywhere you can see it's a water pipe for them. They have done water supply from this. Wow, it's really great, Mecca.
See there.
See from there on every their bathroom, bathtub, everywhere they get fresh water from these pipelines, and these have really very clean. So hi everyone. Now finally we came to the Lotus Mahal, and this is the entrance of the Lotus Mahal. कहाँ से लेना है मैडम?
So totally 1856 to 2017, when they dig up the British people or to archaeologists department, they find totally 83 monuments, sir. Right now we are in 46th one.
This is the place
Zanana enclosure.
Zanana Enclosure. So this is the place called Zanana Enclosure. This is Jal Mahal, and this is what people say is AC of that time. Like that time they don't have AC, so they used to they made this temple because there is natural AC. You can see. So hi everyone, this is the place, and this is the temple which people are talking about. This is the Lotus Mahal. Mecca is there. When why they call it is natural AC, I don't know. So now we came to this different place. This is elephant stable. I'll show you. These are elephant stable, and these are wash towers. And there is also a beautiful thing I'll show you. And now we are going to see elephant stable, and then we'll go that side. So hi everyone, this is the entrance of elephant. This is the way from where elephant used to enter, and this is a big huge place. Like Mecca is there, that time elephant used to be there. So this is the another elephant stay. You can cross like this, and the same thing, they have multiple elephant stays. You can see another, then another. So it's very good. Actually it's Hampi is very good. So hi everyone, this is Elephants Guest House. People who used to come to see elephants, they used to stay here. And you can see there is a statue even in front of this. Now it's only half left, but you can see it's elephant and they have closed it. Hi everyone, now we came to Pan Supari Bazaar, as Merlika said to me, and now they are giving a special pan in palace. This type of palace bazaar is. So now we are going inside of this bazaar. I'll show you what Mecca, what is it? Temple. Okay, this temple. This is Hazara Ramchandra temple. Oh, 2 episodes of Mahabharata in which my brother was doing acting. Shooting has been done on this temple only. You can see it's so nice. Wow. But why? So hi everyone, these are the unique infrastructure. You can see how they have made, and you can see everywhere on everything, and it's really impossible for nowadays. It's very difficult to make. Wow, you can see. And the place is seriously, and the whole temple looks like the same. I don't know who have made this, but looks good. So this is how people, chalo. This is how people shout for the Nibu. So Mecca, what you we are roaming from last 2 hours, and what you have thought about Hampi? Nice. What you liked about the Hampi?
There
And
is architecture everywhere.
like just beside of us, you can see. And what else?
And it is greenery.
Yeah, everywhere you can see green. And anything else?
That's it. I don't
Wow,
know.
temple looks so beautiful. So this is the temple. Wow. And everywhere you will see some statue is there. Everywhere. Wow. That looks so good. Ganesha temple, Ganesha statue, and Devi statue, Durgi actually, not Durga. You can see this is bikers gang. Actually, lots of bikers gang came in Hampi. You can see there everyone. Hayabusa, Ducati, and every sports bike they came with. You can see lots of bikes are there. Chalo Mecca, we'll see.
Shankha.
This is Shumankha
See, there's so many faces.
heads. Chalo. Hi everyone.
राजा के यहाँ जो काम करते थे.
So their quarters it is.
हाँ,
So it's a viewpoint. They said.
Nobleman quarter and viewpoint.
Acha. So where is quarters?
Arey, it used to be here. Now it is not there here.
See, wow, it looks so beautiful. So hi everyone. Now I'll show you. This is the viewpoint, and this is private viewpoint. Wow. Really looks very good. See.
Yeah, see that temple so high up.
Oh yeah. There. Wow, so nice, na? It's nice place, na?
Hi Raj Singh, where are you?
At the same viewpoint, and literally I am relaxing here from last 10 to 15 minutes. It feels so good. The air quality.
How did you like this place?
The place is Hampi is really very good. Old
Why are you not looking at me and talking?
old places like Mahal, monuments, everything. That will they will like this place. So hi everyone. This is the other place. You can see lots of people are coming. And the view of Hampi is very good. Mecca, which is this place?
Lakshmi Narasimha Temple.
This is Lakshmi Narasimha Temple. So hi everyone, this is the temple which is in front of our house, just in front of our house. So hi everyone, we reached to this beautiful place where Mecca has told they do some boating activity, round boating activity, and you can see the place is so beautiful, surrounded by mountains. And there is a Hanuman temple even I've heard of. Let's see. So this is the place. You can see. Wow. Lovely, Mecca. Clean water. Actually, it's flowing, na? That's why. So hi everyone, now we are at this river and we are going to do this ride. See how they are riding. So this ride with few people. And this is the place. Mecca, hi. Which ride this is called? Coronella. Something called. This is nice. So let's see. And there is Hanuman Mandir. Now we are going to go on this boat.
स्पीड है कर दिया आपने
Wow, good. So hi everyone. So finally we are on the line. This is the place. You can see the flow of water. Oh. Wow. Nectar, you wanted this only, na? Wow, yeah. Good.
बाद में ये वाला रिवर है ना तुंगभद्रा रिवर, ये जाकर मिलेगा कृष्णा नदी आंध्रा में जाकर मिलेगा। मैं अगस्त टाइम का रेनी सीजन में पानी रिलीज करते हो डैम से, वो सारी मंडप दिख रहे ना, वो सारी मंडप डूब जाएगा पानी के अंदर है।
अच्छा, ये सारे डूब जाते हैं?
अभी 3 महीने पानी फुल था, अभी 2 दिन हो गए कम हो गया पानी। 2 दिन हो गया, 3 महीने बोटिंग नहीं था, अभी स्टार्ट हो गया। वो मंडप दिख रहा है ना मैडम, वो सारी ये लोग उतना लेवल था पानी, अभी कम हो गया। उस टाइम का ये प्लेस को कन्नड़ लैंग्वेज में चक्रा तीर्था बोलेगा। चक्रा मीनिंग ज़्यादा लेवल पानी भर जाता ना, मिडल में ऑटोमेटिकली बौरे क्रिएट हो जाएगा। तो बौरे क्रिएट होता ना, वो बौरे से वो पत्थर में होल्स दिख रहे ना उधर, ऐसा कट होते, उतना पावरफुल करंट रहते। तो स्विमिंग है तो उसमें मिल जाए तो नहीं आ सकते मैडम। बाद में
हाँ बिल्कुल।
ये वाला पर्वत का नाम है ना मैडम, तो ऋषिमुखा पर्वत है। ऋषिमुखा, ऋषि मतलब साधु रहता है ना मैडम, उसके लिए ऋषिमुखा पर्वत है। उधर दिख रहे ना, वो वाला मेडिटेशन टेम्पल रहेगा। तो कृष्णा देवराय का टाइम का, तो साधु लोग उधर ही बैठकर उधर ही मेडिटेशन करते थे। बाद में इस तरफ सनराइज आता ना, अपोजिट का मेडिटेशन टेम्पल रहेगा। बाद में लास्ट वो एंड से इस तरफ एंड से जाने के लिए स्टोन का ब्रिज था, रिवर क्रॉस करने के लिए उस जमाने के लिए। सो पत्थर का स्टोन बनाकर सो स्टोन ब्रिज बना दिया। सो मिडल में एक प्लेटफार्म का पत्थर रहेगा, उसके होल कर कर पिला देकर ब्रिज बनाया। सो ब्रिज बनाने का टाइम का इतना पानी नहीं रहेगा, डैम नहीं बनाएगा। सो
So hi everyone. Now we came to where Nika?
Stone quarry.
Stone quarry. So you can see quarry, and I literally want to say Hampi is a good, a nice place. After retirement, you can spend time. It's
Actually, serious photo shoot चलता है.
so you can see they are doing photo shoot of their boat from drone. Vietnam. Yeah, I remember. So these are the bikers group. You can see. So hi everyone, we have ordered something. This special thing, I don't know if this is roti masala. Nahi, what is it?
Veg.
Masala roti something. Roti fry. So you can see this dish.
Finally reached Ranjan. This is what happens when your favorite cameraman gets distracted while doing his work. Hi vloggers.
Vloggers, viewers.
Viewers. We have reached a unique place.
See both
Now
sides.
we are both sides. If
there
you
is
can see,
something,
there is work done. Basically, we are trying to find out what this place is. Photo exhibition, something.
This is real beauty.
Because it is not explored as much, I guess, right?
Hampi to you could exist.
We are going to Anjandara, and this road exactly close to the lake.
And the place which is
Place is so beautiful. And there is also some boating activity here. Your favorite cameraman is driving today. You can see there's a lot of work around on the road. You can see so many different work.
seriously while driving, I think that you will get everything to see.
Yeah.
So ancient and everything is so old and so lovely.
Yes. And all greenery everywhere. Started.
Wow! See what I was saying. Everywhere you will see mountains,
Yeah.
and they are farming there only.
Yeah.
Wow! It looks so pretty.
Yeah. Everywhere there are
And
mountains.
lots of banana trees you will see.
Yeah.
Everywhere banana farming they are doing.
Yes.
It's so good. See,
Yes.
I think this is ancient city only. Whole
Yeah.
city is
Whole
ancient.
city is ancient.
Yeah. Everyone, so you're
Hi
taking.
everyone. So you can
Now
see
finally we are in Hampi, and where we are?
Hampi Rupa Temple. We are not pronouncing it
And I don't know why
correctly,
Scooty will go.
but up or not. That's what. Now we are going to Lotus Mahal. We hired a bike. Raj is driving the bike, and now we are going to Lotus Mahal. Hi guys, as you can see, we were at the
Royal.
Queen's bathroom. Now we are going
Bathroom, not the bath.
going to Royal Enclosure and
Hazara
Ramchandra
Temple and palace enclosure. And see,
Palace
there is a
enclosure.
temple. I think
Yeah.
we'll explore all these places. Wow, looks
Yes.
so beautiful. This.
Yeah. As you can see, we are going to Anjandara, but the road is so nice everywhere. There's beautiful views. Raj is saying he wants to settle down here in future.
Yeah. So hi everyone. Now we are going for dinner. This is one of the famous restaurant. What's the name? Mika? It's not Donkey. Donkey. They must have made something. This is Mango Tree Restaurant. You can see, and it's one of the famous restaurant in Hampi. And you can see views and oh, and see you have to remove your slippers. Then only you are allowed to go inside. That's also a good thing. Let's see. I'll show you. So we have ordered this proper South Indian thali. And this, let's see, we'll eat and then let you know. So this is the restaurant, and you can see they're sitting down even downside, and this even, and they have nice view even. So hi everyone. This is Hampi Market. You can see now evening we came. Lots of things are there. This is the market. People are doing shopping. Wow, bag you want?